Alright guys, this is Chuck with B4. Today we're going to be taking a look at our B4 footprint. We're going to show you some trades of ES, how we use that. It's a very simplified version of footprint charts that makes everything easier and less complicated. We're looking at a divergence there on our top row. You'll see that red block there. That is a divergence. You'll see that the olive color, that's going to signify your sentiment, and so we got some decreasing bullish sentiment. We're safe to take that trade. We're moving down in garden, looking at our intrabar footprint patterns right there. You'll see that those red levels, those are our imbalances there, bearish, and those yellow levels, those are our bullish imbalances. You'll see also within the candle, you'll see a value area. So you have a value area high, a value area low. Also within each candle, you'll see a point of control. That's very valuable information that we use to better use risk management here in our trade. We notice that we have some bullish sentiment coming in, so we're guarding here behind that value, that point of control right there to maximize the potential. Got some imbalances coming in, but we got out right in time there as that trade is turning around. All right, we're going to skip over a little area here going into the next session. I went ahead and highlighted the divergent point of the divergent value area there, which includes the divergent point of control. We're looking at those stacked imbalances right there coming in, possibly forming a value area at the lower part of this candle. We don't know quite yet, but the POC on that candle is right there below us. Let's see how it's going to form here. All right, there we go. We're moving up. A lot of bulls stepping in right there. There's a possibility of entering that trade right there when you have two sentiments back to back and you see a lot of movement. In this instance, we're not gonna enter. We have that possibility of overhead resistance right there where that value area, virgin value area is right there. For that reason, we're just going to hold off a little bit and wait for a more significant edge. A lot of buyers you can see stepping in there. There's some thin prints right there, slowing down a little bit right by that point of control. Looking at the potential targets right there, you'll see that those value areas are overlapped right there. That's a significant area of possible resistance. So I want to see what it's going to do right here. There's a divergence trying to peek in there. We should either pop up to the top of that area, or if it reverses here, it come down to the bottom of our previous low. Let's wait and see what we get here. I'd like to have a divergence to give me a more significant edge. Just looking left there, Yeah, you can see all that area of consolidation, overlapping value areas, candles overlapping. All right, got a divergence coming in there. Let's see if it's going to hold. Alright, there we go. We have that with a confirmation right there. The sentiment got weaker. I'm just going to minimize my risk right there, bring it down behind that value area. If it breaks that value area, I just consider everything beyond that a loss. So. We are locked into profit here. Got the possibility of a bullish move. We got that divergence just flickering right there. So I don't want to at least make sure that I'm guarded. I'm looking at the divergence right there. It is rather large when it flashes, so hopefully that's going to give us a hard push to the downside. Bulls are stepping in there. I'm going to guard it behind that POC. Okay, that takes me out. Guys, we're up to $1,300. Notice the last two candles, there's a value area, there's a point of control right at the edge of each value area. Boom. We've got some bearish sentiment, bearish trade. We entered there. We entered a little early. I noticed that the bears were stepping in pretty hard there. Got a little excited. Looking left, there's a value area. Down at the, what is it, 51.25 area. So I'm going to guard here. I'll go ahead and pull that down just in case we get a nice move. Don't want to limit myself. There we go. I'd like to see that turn red right there at that point of control. Guard right behind it right there. Get some thin prints. Alright, let's walk this down. Looks nice right there. We're gaining in a bearish position. I'll go ahead and maximize my potential there. Got a little flash of some bulls stepping in. Alright, my auto strategy, auto walking it. Very nice. That takes me out of part of my position. Bull starting to step up to the plate here. We're guarded behind the POC. We've already had a significant move. Usually I guard behind the value area, but in this instance I'm guarding behind the POC. Dropping down to the next POC value area. Bearish divergence coming in. Just in case. Let's move it on down. Auto strategy, walking it very nice. Bull's starting to step up here. Got some bulls stepping in, sentiment's changing. Let's go ahead and maximize this position. Boom, that takes us out. We're right at $4,100. Guys, thanks for watching.